Matergenics offers drone inspections for transmission and communication towers. High-definition photos, video footage, and thermal imaging can all be used to assess the condition of your structure. Coating failure, blistering, surface corrosion, crevice corrosion, and deformations can all be seen using this state-of-the-art drone technology. Along with a visual drone inspection, Matergenics also offers thickness loss measurements, potential surveys, cathodic protection system installations, and in-depth lab analyses. With over a century of combined experience in corrosion and metallurgy, Matergenics can provide the following services in a variety of industries: pre-assessment and GIS corrosion mapping, indirect and direct assessment, failure analysis and soil corrosivity surveys, engineering solutions, a post-assessment, technical training, and water corrosion studies. So let us help you with your next tower inspection or restoration project, because at Matergenics, failure is not an option.